I'm J.D. Schmid with Big Tex Trailers.
And I'm Brant Combs with Ram Trucks.
Today we're going to talk about trailer brake systems and the importance of the breakaway cable.
In the incredibly unlikely event that a trailer would become disconnected from the truck, the breakaway cable is there to engage the trailer brakes to make sure that the trailer doesn't take off in one direction or the other.
The way this works is there's a cable between the tow vehicle and the brake system on the trailer. If the two become separated, the cable breaks and activate the brake system.
That's right. With the traditional breakaway cable, you're going to make sure that it's long enough so on sharp turns, it doesn't disconnect the wire.
Here you can see on the Big Tex trailer we have what's called a zip accordion style cord. That way you don't have to worry about it having too much or too little slack, and the accordion will keep the line from touching the ground and getting damaged. And a nice snap-on hook to make it easy to attach to the trailer. The breakaway cable is an important safety feature to give you peace of mind when you're trailering. You always want to make sure it's properly attached.